War brings destruction, chaos, and unimaginable loss. But hidden within that darkness, war also forces humanity to innovate. Throughout history, some of the greatest leaps in science and technology have not come from times of peace, but from the desperate pressures of survival. And World War II was no exception. In hidden laboratories, deep within factories, and even on the front lines of battle, scientists, engineers, and soldiers were unknowingly laying the groundwork for the world we live in today. The need to outthink and outpace the enemy drove humanity to invent at a speed never seen before. Some of these breakthroughs were created for survival. Weapons, vehicles, and medicines meant to save lives in the heat of war. But once the smoke cleared, many of these same discoveries slipped quietly into our daily lives. Think about it for a moment. The way you reheat your dinner in seconds, the medicine that prevents infections, the rubber tires that carry you to work, even the jet planes that connect the entire globe. All of these trace their origins back to a war that engulfed the world nearly a century ago. It's almost unbelievable that out of bombs, blood, and battlefields came inventions that still shape the way we live every single day. In this video, we'll uncover 3 incredible inventions from World War II that are still a part of your life right now. By the end of this journey, you'll never look at your microwave, your car, or even your medicine cabinet the same way again. If you love history with a twist of discovery, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel, History's Workshop, where we uncover the battles, inventions, and untold stories that shaped our world. One of the most unexpected inventions to come out of World War II is sitting quietly in almost every kitchen today, the microwave oven. The story begins not in a kitchen, but in a radar laboratory. During the war, radar technology was vital. It used a powerful device called the magnetron to generate microwaves that could detect enemy aircraft. In 1945, an engineer named Percy Spencer, who worked for Raytheon, was testing one of these magnetrons. As he stood near the device, he felt something strange. The chocolate bar in his pocket had completely melted. Most people would have shrugged it off, but Spencer was curious. He experimented further, first placing popcorn kernels near the magnetron. Within seconds, the popcorn started popping. Then he tried an egg, which quickly exploded from the heat. What he discovered was revolutionary. Microwaves could cook food from the inside out, far faster than traditional ovens. In 1947, Raytheon introduced the first commercial microwave oven. It was called the Radar Range. But here's the twist. It was huge, almost 6 feet tall, weighed over 300 kilograms, and cost around $5,000. That's more than $60,000 in today's money. And it required water cooling, just like industrial machines. Needless to say, not many people had one at home. It wasn't until the late 1960s and 70s, when microwaves became smaller and affordable, that they entered households worldwide. By the 1980s, they were a standard kitchen appliance. Today, the microwave is used by billions every day to reheat leftovers, cook meals, and even sterilize kitchen items. All thanks to a melted chocolate bar in a radar lab. So next time you hear the ding of your microwave, remember, it's not just a kitchen tool, it's a piece of wartime innovation born out of radar research during the Second World War. And while the microwave oven changed the way we cook, another wartime invention was busy changing the way we fix things. On the battlefield, soldiers had a constant problem. Ammunition boxes had to stay sealed tight to keep out water, mud, and dirt. But the paper tape they were using simply wasn't strong enough. A single tear could ruin precious ammunition. The US military needed a quick solution, and they turned to the Johnson and Johnson Company. Their engineers developed something tough, reliable, and waterproof. A cloth-backed adhesive tape that could stick to almost anything. Soldiers immediately saw its potential. They didn't just use it for sealing ammo boxes. They patched torn tents, fixed broken equipment, repaired jeeps, and in emergencies, even held together damaged aircraft. It was strong, it was flexible, and it resisted water so well that soldiers nicknamed it duct tape, because water rolled right off it like water off a duck's back. After the war, this battlefield essential found its way into civilian life. Factories adapted it for household and construction use, where it became known as duct tape. From plumbing repairs to DIY fixes, from quick car patches to creative hacks, duct tape became one of the most versatile tools ever invented. What started as a simple wartime necessity is now an everyday lifesaver, proof that even in the middle of war, some inventions stick with us forever. While duct tape helped soldiers hold things together, another invention from World War II was preparing to launch humanity into the skies at speeds never imagined before: the jet engine. Before the 1940s, airplanes were powered by propellers. They were reliable, but limited. As the war intensified, both Britain and Germany raced to build faster, more powerful aircraft. The answer came in the form of a revolutionary idea. Instead of spinning a propeller, why not compress air, ignite it with fuel, and let the force of the exhaust propel the plane forward? This concept gave birth to the world's first operational jet fighters. Germany's Messerschmitt Me 262 and Britain's Gloucester Meteor. They were faster than anything else in the air, changing the future of aviation forever. After the war, the technology didn't vanish. It was improved, adapted, and soon applied to commercial travel. The jet engine transformed airplanes into global connectors, shrinking the world and making international flight possible for ordinary people. Today, every passenger jet that carries millions of travelers across continents owes its speed and efficiency to this wartime breakthrough. What began as a weapon of war has become one of the greatest tools of connection and progress in human history. And there you have it. 3 inventions born in the heat of World War II that continue to shape the way we live today. From the microwave in your kitchen, to the duct tape in your toolbox, and even the jet engines that connect the world. All of them remind us of a powerful truth: that even in the darkest of times, human ingenuity finds a way not just to survive, but to create. Which of these inventions surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this journey into history's workshop, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell